Let's get straight to it. You're thinking about getting your home's exterior cleaned. You've seen the trucks, you've heard the buzz about pressure washing, but one question keeps popping up. Do these companies use my water? The simple answer is yes, they do. And believe me, this is the standard accepted practice across the entire industry for a very good reason. When a professional crew like Advanced Power Wash shows up at your home in Conway, they will hook their equipment directly into your outdoor water spigot. It's the most practical and efficient way to get the job done right. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this going to send my water bill through the roof? Is it a huge drain on my resources? I'm here to tell you to put those worries aside. The amount of water used for a typical house wash is surprisingly small. Think about it this way. A professional pressure washer uses high pressure, not high volume. It's designed to be incredibly efficient, using far less water than you would with a regular garden hose left running for the same amount of time. We're talking about a minimal cost on your next utility bill, often just a few dollars. It's a small price for a massive improvement. You have to understand the logic behind this. A professional pressure washing company invests its money in the things that truly make a difference. Top-of-the-line equipment, specialized cleaning solutions, and extensive training for their technicians. These are the elements that ensure a safe, effective, and high-quality result for your property. By using the readily available water source on site, companies avoid the massive logistical challenge and expense of hauling hundreds of gallons of water to every single job. This straightforward approach is a key part of how they keep their services accessible and affordable for homeowners like you. So, when that technician asks to use your water, see it as a good sign. It means you've hired a company that follows industry best practices. They are set up to work efficiently and pass those savings directly on to you. They aren't cutting corners, they are using a smart, established method that has been proven to work time and time again. It's the first step in a process that is designed to protect your biggest investment, your home, and to do it without creating unnecessary complications or costs. It's just common sense, and when it comes to your home, common sense is always the right way to go. The primary reason we connect to your home's water supply is all about efficiency and logistics. Imagine for a moment the alternative. A pressure washing truck would need to be equipped with a massive, heavy water tank, potentially holding 500 gallons or more. Transporting that much water from property to property would be a nightmare. It would dramatically increase fuel consumption for the vehicle, add significant wear and tear, and make the truck much harder to maneuver in residential driveways and streets. It's just not a practical solution for serving a community effectively. This method also ensures we always have a consistent and reliable water source. Municipal water supplies provide a steady flow and pressure that our equipment is designed to work with. Our pumps then take that water and amplify the pressure to the precise level needed for cleaning different surfaces, whether it's delicate vinyl siding or tough stained concrete. If we were relying on a tank, we'd have to worry about running out of water mid-job, especially on larger properties. This could lead to stopping the work, going to refill the tank, and coming back, wasting your time and ours. Using your spigot eliminates that risk entirely. Furthermore, this approach allows us to focus on what we do best: cleaning. Our expertise isn't in water transportation. It's in knowing exactly how to remove years of dirt, algae, mold, and mildew from your home's exterior surfaces. By simplifying the water logistics, we can dedicate all our attention and resources to the cleaning process itself. This means properly assessing the surfaces, mixing the correct eco-friendly cleaning solutions, and using the right techniques to protect your paint, siding, and landscaping. It's about putting the focus where it belongs, on delivering a perfect, damage-free result. Think of it as a partnership. You provide the water, and a company like Advanced Power Wash provides the professional-grade equipment, the specialized knowledge, and the skilled labor to transform that water into a powerful cleaning tool. This collaboration is the foundation of the entire pressure washing industry. It's a system that has been refined over decades to be as effective and customer-friendly as possible. It's not about taking advantage of your resources. It's about using a smart, cooperative method to achieve a shared goal, making your home look its absolute best. Let's talk money, because that always matters. Using your water is a huge factor in keeping professional pressure washing services affordable. If a company had to buy, install, and maintain a large water tank on every truck, plus pay for the water itself and the extra fuel to haul it, those costs would have to be passed on to you, the customer. The price for a standard house wash or driveway cleaning would be significantly higher. This simple, practical decision to use the on-site water source is a direct benefit to your wallet, making professional-level results accessible to more homeowners. This efficiency also translates into faster service. When a crew arrives, they can get set up and start working within minutes. There's no time wasted on managing a water tank or worrying about supply levels. They can complete the job in one continuous session, which means less disruption to your day. You get a beautifully clean home without having a work crew hanging around for hours on end. This streamlined process is better for you and allows the company to serve other customers in the community more effectively, which is a win-win for everyone involved in the process. Moreover, the savings from not hauling water allow companies like Advanced Power Wash to invest in things that really elevate the quality of their work. They can afford better, more reliable pressure washers, specialized nozzles for different tasks, and high-quality biodegradable cleaning agents that are tough on grime but gentle on your home and the environment. This is a critical point. You're not just paying for water pressure. You're paying for the professional system and expertise that protects your property from damage while delivering a deep, lasting clean. It's about value, not just price. So, when you see the final bill, you can be confident that your money is going towards skill, technology, and a job done right. The small cost of the water used is a tiny fraction of the overall value you receive. You're getting enhanced curb appeal, protection against the long-term damage that mold and algae can cause, and the satisfaction of a home that looks fresh and new. It's one of the most cost-effective home maintenance tasks you can invest in. The practice of using your water is a cornerstone of that value proposition, making it all possible. So, it's important to understand that the water from your spigot is just the starting point. The real magic, honestly, happens inside our professional-grade equipment. While a standard garden hose might deliver water at around 40 to 60 psi, that's pounds per square inch. A professional pressure washer, however, can amplify that pressure up to 4,000 psi or even more. But it's not just about raw power. A true professional knows that using the wrong pressure can cause some serious damage, like stripping paint, splintering wood, or even cracking vinyl siding. That's exactly why our technicians are trained to adjust the pressure precisely for every surface. This is why our services, like house washing, are so effective. For siding, we use a technique called soft washing. This method uses a much lower pressure, honestly similar to a strong shower, and it's combined with specialized, eco-friendly cleaning solutions. These solutions do most of the heavy lifting, breaking down algae, mold, and dirt at a molecular level. The water is then used to simply rinse it all away, leaving your siding perfectly clean without any risk of damage. It's a scientific approach that a DIY rental machine just can't replicate safely or effectively. You really can't get this kind of result with just high-pressure water. Then you have surfaces like your driveway and walkways. These concrete areas can definitely handle more pressure, and that's where our equipment truly shines. Over time, concrete collects oil stains, tire marks, dirt, and grime that get ground deep into its porous surface. Our technicians use specialized surface cleaners, those spinning, circular attachments you might have seen, to apply even, consistent pressure across the entire area. This lifts years of embedded dirt, revealing the bright, clean concrete underneath. It completely revitalizes your curb appeal and makes your whole property look sharper and more welcoming. Ultimately, by hiring a professional, you're paying for the results that only professional equipment and training can provide. It's about getting a deeper, longer-lasting clean that not only improves the look of your home, but also helps protect it. Regular pressure washing removes harmful contaminants like mold and mildew that can eat away at surfaces over time, potentially saving you from expensive repairs down the road. It's a maintenance task that honestly pays for itself, both in curb appeal and in the long-term health of your home's exterior. It's an investment in doing the job right. When you invite a service company to your property, you really need to know you can trust them. This is about more than just their cleaning ability. It's about their professionalism, reliability, and respect for your home. At Advanced Power Wash, we build that trust from the very first phone call. We believe in clear communication and complete transparency. That means we explain our process, including how we use your water, right from the start. We provide clear, upfront pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect before we even begin the work. A trustworthy company stands behind its work. They are fully licensed and insured, which protects you and your property in the unlikely event of an accident. A reputable crew shows up on time, in uniform, and with clean professional equipment. They take care to protect your plants, outdoor furniture, and light fixtures before they start washing. These may seem like small details, but honestly, they're the signs of a company that respects you and your investment. It's the difference between a cheap, corner-cutting operator and a true professional committed to customer service. Choosing a local company is also a big advantage. A local business like Advanced Power Wash understands the specific challenges we face here in Conway, South Carolina. We know all about the high humidity that encourages mold and algae growth, and we have the right solutions to combat it effectively. We're your neighbors, and our reputation in the community is everything. We are committed to building long-term relationships with our clients by consistently delivering excellent results and friendly, reliable service. When you hire local, you're supporting the local economy and working with people who truly care. So, when you're ready to boost your home's curb appeal and protect it from the elements, make the right choice. Don't settle for just anyone with a pressure washer. Look for a trusted local professional who is transparent, reliable, and dedicated to doing the job right. Give Advanced Power Wash a call. Let us show you how our professional services can make your home the cleanest and brightest on the block. We're ready to get to work and earn your trust, one sparkling clean surface at a time.